Make another shooting video today. I was gonna make 2, but I'm gonna shoot the head cat another time because it's getting dark. It get dark in like 30 minutes, so I ain't trying to get stuck out here. But I'm finna show y'all what we finna shoot. I ain't shot it in a minute. Damn. Well, shit. Shit falling out of it. I gotta put it back together. Hold on, y'all. Bear with me. Put it back together right quick. I hate this part. Yeah, I ain't did this shit in so long. I got the shit upside down. Shut the fuck up. I know y'all talking shit. Gotta put it back. I had to break it down to fit in my backpack. Come on. I had to put it in my backpack, so I had to break it in two parts. Hold on. Bear with me, bear with me. Just did this equal ass shit. This shit's so retarded. Practice taking your shit apart, put it together. Practice. It'll save your life one day. Alright, that bitch put together now. I just put this little scope on there too. I'm finna show y'all the scope right quick. We even do know a lot of shit. We can do some quick shooting right quick. It's a scope on it. I'm finna cut it on for y'all. It's a scope. You see the red dot, it only show in the scope. See, it only show in the scope. It's a 7.62 though, radical AR pistol. I think it's a 10-inch barrel on it. We gonna do some shooting. I'm trying to see what this scope talking about. I'm gonna get back to y'all for the set something up right quick so we can shoot, and I'm gonna get right back to y'all. It's at the tip of my gun. Hold on, right. Here it's a tape, like an old VCR tape, and I'm finna shoot from right here. It's about 10-15 yards. I'm finna see if I can hit it from right here. Let me see. Get y'all a good angle. Alright, it's hot. Finna see. See, can y'all? God damn. Where that motherfucker at, right? Is it right there? Yeah, it's right here. See if I can hit it from right here. Using the scope on it. Yeah, I see me standing down. He throw a can out there, so hold on. I'm finna try to hit that can I just threw right there. Oh, this motherfucker accurate. Woo! Hold on, y'all gotta see this. This motherfucker accurate. Damn, I should have worn hearing protection though. Told that motherfucker up. Oh. Let me set this tape back up. I'm finna put my earplugs in, that's what I'm gonna do. But this motherfucker loud as hell. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I finish loading it up. Alright, y'all, we put 30 in here. Finna go and load it back up. See what we talking about. Yes, sir. Right. It's hot. I thought that Drake gonna be my favorite gun, fool. He my favorite gun, fool. I ain't gonna lie. But anyway, yeah, I'm finna break this motherfucker back down. You break it down, these little pins. These little pins right here, and these pins right, the pin right here. On the other side, you just push them in. Let me show y'all right quick. Push it in, and it should come out some to where you can pull it out on this side, right here. And you, hold on. Well, I ain't got no nails. Let me do the other one. Push this one in. This one should pull out. And this one will pull out right here. Hold on, really. See? Like that. But I'm finna break this down. Gonna dip out. But man, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna give y'all some more videos. I know I've been bullshit lately, but I'm gonna try to get y'all more videos though. But it just be hard thinking of content and shit. But alright, like, comment, subscribe, I'm gone.
This the life he supposed to live now. Bitches, they don't go for him, and everybody know this him. So, yeah, he keep a pole with him. They thinking I won't blow for real. Like, slam dunk